Another thing to note, which I held as Bible during my own job application process, was that I was very, very conscious of the time that that job was posted. The reason being that a lot of people are looking for jobs, and you might be so qualified, like you might be very qualified for that role, but if you're not among the first few people that apply, they might not get to you to find out how amazing you are and how you are the best fit for that role. So you need to target jobs that have been posted at least within the last 24 hours. So I'm just going to show you what I mean. When you go to LinkedIn, the first thing that I always go to is date posted, and then click on the past 24 hours, show results. So once you click on that, you can see 6 hours ago, 21 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 7 hours. So make sure that the jobs that you're applying for are within these hours. Another thing that you can also take note of is, for example, here you can see 67 applicants. Here, over 100 people. Over 100 people. Most times when I see over 100 people, I will not apply, because I mean, if 100 people have already applied, when will they get to me? Like, what's the point? But still go ahead though. But like, I wouldn't channel all my energy into applying for something that over 100 people have already clicked on. Also, when I see reposted 3 hours ago, it tells me that this is a very old job advertisement, and I might not stress myself to apply for this particular job. If you want to streamline it a bit better, if you look at the link here, you can see here it says 86,400. What this 86,400 means is that it is showing you jobs that has been posted within the last or past 24 hours. To streamline this further to an hour, you just change this to 3,600. So if I put 3,600, now I'm seeing jobs that have been posted in less than an hour, or maximum of 1 hour. So we have 37 minutes ago, 23 minutes ago, 52 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. When you click on jobs like this, you can see only 9 people has clicked on apply. 4 minutes ago, only 1 person has clicked apply. 59 minutes ago, only 1 person. Like, it means that if you're able to target jobs that have been uploaded within an hour, you'll be among the first few people to put in your application, and also the first few people that would be considered before they get to every other person that is coming. So you need to be on top of your game. See, to be honest with you, when I was like applying, it felt like I was sleeping on my laptop. Every minute I'll be refreshing. Okay, 37 minutes ago, apply. 2 minutes ago, apply. Like, I was among the first few people that was sending in applications, and this is what will give you the best chance of winning, to be honest. This is what will give you the best chance of even getting an interview in the first place. Because if you are just waiting and you're like, oh, by 5 p.m. every day, I'm going to apply, you'll be surprised that a lot of people have already applied for that job. You want to give yourself the highest chance possible to get an interview, and applying for a job is already a full-time job on its own, and you need to take it as what it is, right? You need to put in this effort.